Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for joining us on another video of YRM TV.
Hey, good morning, guys. We're just finishing up loading up all the equipment. It is Saturday morning. We have an oil to gas conversion to do today. We actually already started. We started this a couple of weeks ago. I want to say almost a month ago. But today is the removal part of the job. So we're removing the oil tank, the oil-fired furnace, the oil-fired water heater, and to start off, we have to pump out the oil tank. So I want to show you guys the setup. So this is what we're looking at. We got all the equipment loaded on here, as well as our oil transfer tank. Got some more equipment over here. It's got the guys loading up the PVC. Should be good to go. So we just pulled up to the job. We are starting off by unloading everything from the trailer. I just wanted to show you guys what the gas pipe looks like. They ran a new gas line. That's the gas meter, the gas pipe into the house. Now we are going over here to continue unloading and start setting up the transfer tank. You guys good? Hey Ed, can you get the matter, Daddy? Can you get the matter, Daddy? He got it. Okay, guys. So you just heard us trying to play a joke on the new guy. Try to create a pretty fun environment. One thing's one thing, another thing's another thing. The work aspect, there's no doubt that when we get to it, but we like to have fun. We're young guys, and we like to bust some stones. But it turned out that he had already heard the joke before, so that did not work out for us. Stay tuned, guys. We got a good episode for you. All right, now that we have the fill and vent pipe taken off of the oil tank, I have the oil tank propped up to one side using the jack. We have about 3/8 of a tank, close to a quarter, which is the equivalent about 80 gallons of oil that we have to pump out. You can hear the pump going. We have the green hose going out to my transfer tank, and we are starting the removal process of the equipment. The water heater is going, and the oil-fired furnace is going. So you guys are about to see how we pump out an oil tank. We basically remove the piping going to the outside, which is the fill and the vent, and we hook up our pump to the bottom. We bypass the filter and we start pumping out. So this is where the old piping was. And the hose goes to our oil crate. Now this thing is designed to hold about 250 gallons. We have about 3/8 of a tank, which I want to say is probably 80 to 100 gallons. So once we get that pumped out, we can go ahead and start removing everything, start demoing everything. We're getting rid of the oil tank, we're getting rid of the furnace, we're getting rid of the water heater. We will be replacing everything with brand new equipment, as well as adding air conditioning to the home. Do it! Alright guys, while we wait for the oil tank to be completely drained out, I'm going to go over what we did for the water heater. So this was an oil to gas conversion. The first thing we had to do was work on the gas pipe inside the house, and then we decided it was still pretty cold out, and the homeowner was going to be left without heat and hot water. If we completely worked on both things for a couple weeks, we decided to do the hot water for now. We did it back in the beginning of May. and then we ended up coming back to do the removal, and now we're doing the furnace. This is the water heater. It is a Navian. Tankless water heater. This is the old one. This is the gas line. Alright guys, so we just removed the water heater and the oil tank. Okay guys, so we're outside. Started raining on us a little bit, but no big deal. Got our new helper, Edwin. Just want to show you what we're working with. So this is the crate with the oil tank. It's got about 75 gallons of oil. This is the old water heater. Just a box of trash, and then this is the oil tank. This was I tried to get some video, but it's just the angle wasn't right. So, and plus I just didn't want to embarrass my guys because they were struggling. Nah, I'm just kidding. So now that we have the old furnace removed, we put the new one in just to see what it looks like, and also to get our measurements for a brand new supply transition, the return transition, and other measurements for gas pipe and venting. Now that we have the truck fully loaded, as you guys can see, as well as the trailer, I mean, we couldn't even fit another rock if we wanted to. Oh, you guys want me to talk? Alright everybody, we're all loaded up. Everything's removed.
We're okay.
My guys are tired. Look at them. Look at Ed. Look at Joey. Alright, this is what it looks like. You got the oil crate, all the miscellaneous small things, all the sheet metal. You got the oil tank. Got some more sheet metal. You got the water heater. And over here we got the monster furnace. We are good to go. We're heading back to the shop to remove everything, unload, and then we actually have to go pump the oil, the 80 gallons, 75 gallons of oil, over into a family member of mine. Okay guys, so we finished the removal. We finished unloading all the equipment at my shop. I'm just pumping out the oil container. Well, actually, we just finished doing that. I have a relative that I normally give the oil to. I don't have any use for it. I mean, you could technically resell it, but I don't mind doing a good deed for my family. So, this is where we're at. We're at my relative's house. Now, their oil tank is located outside. It's that one. So, we have a reserve oil tank over here that we just keep feeding into the main oil tank as they need it. Alright guys, so it's Saturday afternoon. My helper Joey's just taken off. It's 4:43. Just wanted to show you what we're working with, or what we did. It's the water heater, it's the oil tank, it's the furnace. This is all the miscellaneous stuff right here. We will be taking Sunday off, tomorrow's Sunday. So we'll be back to it first thing Monday morning. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. I will catch you then. Thank you guys. Hey, good morning guys. So, just finishing loading the truck up, getting ready to head to the job. We're back to that furnace and AC install. On Saturday we took care of the removal. We removed the water heater, the furnace, and the oil tank. We also pumped that out. So today is Monday. It's Monday morning. We're looking to get back over there. We'll be there today, tomorrow Tuesday, and Wednesday, just to get everything situated. Stay tuned guys. Thank you very much. Alrighty guys, so here you see us starting off the job. This is Monday morning. This is Monday the 20th. We are starting off the job by getting the furnace installed. I told the homeowner that I would be working on the heating first. We had a couple of cool nights. So just in case they needed their heating, I wanted it to be up and running. The first thing we have to work on is getting the ductwork connected. We are seen here working on the return filter rack. We have to mount a box. Next, we're seen here cutting the supply. We have to cut it high enough just so we can make a transition. We are using an angle grinder here. We have the furnace covered off just so no chips make their way down into the furnace. The next step after we have connected the supply and the return ductwork is to work on the venting. The venting is the exhaust and the air intake for combustion for the furnace. We are running this in 2-inch PVC. You can see us here fastening the 2-inch PVC using metal J-hooks and plastic J-hooks. We will be using PVC primer and cement. Now, for those of you that know, the primer tends to be a little smelly, so that's why you see me with the mask on. Also, there is a bunch of dust, so to prevent any allergies, any sneezing, I just normally wear a face mask. After we finish running the air intake and the vent pipe, you are watching me finish up the outdoor termination. That is a low profile termination. It just looks a lot cleaner than sticking 2 pipes out. And after a long day, here is what the finished product looks like. We have finished the venting, the supply, the return. We are just missing one register, one grill for the return. We have also finished up the gas pipe, so the heating is pretty much ready to go. Alright guys, day number 2 is officially done.
Oh man, it's a good one.
13-hour day. But we made great progress. Tomorrow we'll be back there, and I'm thinking Wednesday as well for day number 4. It's a big job. We've been there for a couple months now. I mean, it's been a long process, but we're almost at the finish line. Good morning, guys. Day number 3 on this big install job. Yesterday we managed to finish the venting, ductwork, the supply and the return, the drain for the heat. Today we just stopped by the supply house. We have another stop. We have to stop by the depot, pick up some remaining things, and we should be pretty good shape. I want to say we still might have to come back tomorrow Wednesday, just to tie up loose ends. But today we're in pretty good shape. Alright guys, so we're here at the job. Took us a little while to get here. We had to make a few stops to pick up some material. It is about 8:25, so we're gonna be here all day, and honestly a majority of the night, because I had planned to come back tomorrow, but just my schedule's not working out. So we have to get this finished today. We'll probably be here until about 8 p.m., maybe 9 p.m. But, you know, anything to get this job done. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you. All right, so we got the discharge line for the condensate pump going in. Boy Joey is going to town over here. We actually ended up having to install a P-trap. So I'm a bit of an organization freak. So yesterday before I left, I actually had a list of the things that we need to get done. As you can see, it's a whole cardboard sheet's worth of work. Alrighty guys, so unfortunately because of the time crunch we were working under, I was not able to record us snaking in the line set and finishing up the outdoor condenser. So I'm just basically going to give you a overview of what was done. We basically snaked the line set from the outdoor condenser to the inside. Took us about, honestly, the majority of the day, just because there was a lot of bends, and since we try to snake everything in one piece, it took us, more than expected, longer than expected, I should say. But this is the final product. The furnace is ready to go. Both the heat and the AC are up and running. The vent in the front was installed. That's also ready to go. I'm just going over everything, every little detail in the back. As you can see, the bends, the thermostat wire. This is the outdoor condenser. We actually leveled out a platform of compacted gravel just so we can put our plastic pad and sit it on top of. Now it is about 9 o'clock. We had to use our exterior lights just because we couldn't see anything. We loaded everything up into the truck, our tools, remaining equipment, as well as all of the trash that is no longer needed in the house.
How are we feeling, Joey?
Tired. It was a successful day.
You got the job done. A day ahead of schedule, huh?
15-hour day. Got the job done.
Something light, Joe. Alright guys, so we're just pulling back into the shop. We actually met our goal. My goal was to get the job done today. It's our third day in, and gosh darn it, we got it done. YRM gets it done, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you on the next one tomorrow. We don't have anything big. I'll see if I record, but it's a weekly video, so the dates are a little messed up. But please give me leave me a comment if you guys get confused on the dates. Today is Tuesday, May 21st. May 21st. So, stay tuned. And like I mentioned, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.